Salutations. Nicholas, here for another edition of SignalWire in Seconds. Our platform of programmable unified communications offers clear sky solutions for businesses often battered by the high costs and developmental complexities of inclement on-premise systems. Situated high above the turbulence of traditional telecom infrastructure, SignalWire's cloud refracts the light of telephony into brilliant bands of APIs and SDKs, featuring voice, messaging, video, and more. Led by a luminary support engineer, today's serverless AI agent demonstration will guide you through the JSON configuration of a climate-conscious weatherbot. Equipped with SMS dispatching capabilities and a webhook connection to the U.S. National Weather Service, this digital employee will provide storm trackers with a detailed outlook for any given city or state. Len, how's our forecast shaping up?
Hello and welcome to SignalWire.com. My name is Len, and today we're going to check out our serverless WeatherBot. So what is WeatherBot? WeatherBot tells us what the weather is. This will work with two different APIs. One will get the longitude and latitude and then feed that into another API that will make an API call out to get the weather with the provided longitude and latitude. So let me give it a call.
Hello, how can I assist you today with the weather forecast?
Yeah, what's the weather for Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania?
I have retrieved the latitude and longitude for Pittsburgh. I have successfully obtained the detailed weather forecast for Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Now, let me get the detailed weather forecast for that location. Pennsylvania, would you like me to share the forecast with you now?
Yes.
One moment. Weather forecast for Pittsburgh. Pennsylvania is partly sunny with a high near 95. The wind is expected to be from the southwest at 2 to 6 miles per hour. Would you like me to send you the detailed forecast?
Yes.
One moment. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, I thank you. Bye. Well, it's going to be pretty hot in Pittsburgh today. But let me show you the text message here. Camera going. All right, there is weather. Zoom in. All right. So how did that work? We'll take a look at our JSON here, which you can get the example from our digital employee repo. Just copy and paste this JSON here. If you click on raw, you can easily just Control-A, Control-C. Take that over and paste it into a new SWML bin, which is a SignalWire markup language. So let's take a look at our SWML. We have our sections, main, and this here, I decided to show that we can set how long that there is a ring before our digital employee answers. And you can set that by the number of seconds. And here we will record, we're going to answer and then record the call. We're going to do it in a format of wave and in stereo. And we go down to our AI section with the params, verbose logs, debug webhook URL is useful to get more detailed information to see maybe you have something wrong with the API and you don't have something quite right, and that'll help you diagnose things like that. Our post-pop URL, this will give out the summary of our conversation, and this can be set to do other things also. You can password protect that. And for our post prompt, you can set the top P and temperature. It's kind of like how creative our digital employee will be. And let's see, we're going to ignore. And let's see, we'll look at the replace MPH. So our digital employee doesn't say MPH. It'll say what it stands for, which is miles per hour. We have some hints for the weather and forecasts, languages, which is US. The voice name is Rachel in English, and it's the 11 Labs engine, which we have different engines available, like DeepGram and OpenAI. We have fillers here. So whenever we execute a function, which we'll talk about in just a few moments here, a function will be whenever the function is executed. So when I did the example, you heard it say 1 moment or 1 moment, please. And that's when the function executes. So this will rotate between these two, depending on the function. And we go down to our swag functions, which is our SignalWire AI gateway. And we have webhooks, same as for the post prompt URL. And we have our functions. So this is what I was talking about with the fillers. And here we can send a message. All right, scroll down, and this is the function get lat long. So this is our latitude and longitude from the response from this API, which is openstreetmap.org. So we're setting the format. We're going to do a query. And we got our arg city and arg state. And that's defined here underneath the argument properties, the string. And we give a description so our digital employee knows a little bit more about this argument. So we tell it's a 2-letter US state code. So we don't just use the full city or full state name. And then we have our city, which is just a city name. All right, and here's get weather point. And here's our text for the prompt. This is like an introduction and just a set of instructions for our digital employee to follow. So we have like our first step, which we're going to greet the user, and then step 2, we're going to get the detailed forecast for the user. Step 3 is we're going to tell the user the detailed forecast. And then step 4, we're going to offer to send the details in a message with an SMS message. So if the user says yes, the message is sent. If the user says no, then there's no message sent. And then step 5 is to ask if there's anything else that you can help the user with. And then this is also set at a temperature and top P like our post prompt. Okay, well, thank you for your time today, and make sure you check us out at signalwire.com. Have a great day.
Len, thank you for that illuminating demo. As the tempestuous winds of economic change blow businesses in new directions, Puck empowers developers to soar into friendlier skies on wings of rapid deployment and interoperability. Further your acclamation to Swimmel by visiting developer.signalwire.com and learn how you can augment your automated voice call interactions using Swag, the SignalWire AI gateway. That's all we have for today. For more SignalWire in seconds, be sure to smash that subscribe button below.